Hey everybody, this is Miss Fanta from Andrew Johnson. I'm going to be talking with you all about root words and suffix changes to make changes to those words. And root words are also known as base words. So today we're going to be looking at the word abilities to start with. And the word abilities, if you notice, has a suffix at the end of the word, the IES. So if we take off that IES, it gives us a different word. It gives us this. It says abilit. Now we can look at this word and we know that's not a real word. Something's happened to that word to change it from its original root word. So what do you think goes at the end of this word to make it a real word? A Y. So the word ability is the root word or the base word. What we've done is we've taken off the Y and we've added something to it. We've changed the Y to an IES. So it changes our word from ability, meaning something that's singular, one, to abilities, meaning multiple. So now we can look at this root word duty. What do you think we do to change it to a plural form? What suffix would we add? What would we take away? We're going to take away the Y and add the IES. And that takes it from being a singular noun, now it's a plural noun, more than one. Just like the word trophy, that's a noun. If you want to make it more than one, we're going to take off the Y and add IES. Fairy, same thing. Take off the Y and add an IES. Memory to memories. Lovely to lovelier. Now the difference here is these are all nouns. Lovely is an adjective. So it's not going to be IES, it's going to turn into IER. It's describing something. Just like with sunny, it's another adjective. We take off the Y, we add an IES, and then you add a T at the end of sunny to make it sunniest. And then deny, that's a verb. We take off the Y and we add an IED to make that suffix appropriate for the word deny. Here we have a list of different words that have had their spellings changed. So our job here is going to be able to figure out what was the root word of the word that's listed here. So for the word victories, we have that IES at the end. The root word would be victory. With dirtier, it's describing something. The root word would be dirty. So they've taken off the Y and they added the IER. So no matter if it's a noun, a verb, an adjective, the Y is going to be taken off each time. You're going to add the IE, and then it's going to be the S, the R, the T to go on the end depending on what it is that you're describing or saying or talking about. So body, to make something from singular to plural. Again, take off the Y, add the IES. So, and you can do that with each of these words. You can just pause the video. You also have the sentence here. It says, Sophia emptied the carton of art supplies onto the table. So the root word of emptied is empty, and the root word of supplies is supply. Now if I read the sentence with those words in place, Sophia emptied the carton of art supply onto the table. It doesn't make a whole lot of sense saying it that way, so that's where I'm going to change this to a past tense with the IED, and then instead of just one supply, there's multiple supplies. Okay. Thanks guys.